Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add text to Instagram Reels at different times. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and click the plus sign button at the bottom of your screen. And then from here, go to Reel option. And you have the choice to either use your Instagram camera to capture a photo or a video, or you may also use an existing photo or existing video from your camera roll. So for me, I'm gonna choose the latter. Just gonna choose two photos over here and then click next once you're done with your selection and then click next again. To add a text to your reel, click the three letter A's at the top of your screen and then just input some text. Feel free to resize it as you want and then place it anywhere you want as well. And then to add another text, just repeat what you did. Click the two letter A characters at the top of your screen and then just input any text, resize it. You may also change the font by selecting from the given options, and then you may also change the color. And then again, feel free to move it around. And once you've added all the text that you want to add, click the text bubbles just at the bottom of your reel, and you see this interface where you're able to modify the length of your text. So that would be for how long the texts will show up in your reel and at which part. So just drag the edges of the text to select the specific time that you want each text to appear on the screen. And also, you may move the text to the left or to the right to further modify. And once you're satisfied with your edit, just click the blue icon with the arrow at the top right corner of your screen. And then just add or edit some settings as necessary or as you want. And then once you're satisfied with your reel, click next to share it to your followers. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!